Hello again, everyone. It's Christine at Fibre Carpet Care, and we're at the lovely home in Brentwood Bay, BC again. Just wanted to show you a quick shot of a high traffic area in the dining room here and the difference in the cleaning done with our CBS cleaner. So you can watch Harry as he's going by in this area here and see the difference clearly right there. How this just peels the dirt right off. Does a fantastic job. And with Harry's elbow grease, that helps. Say hi, Harry. Say hi, Harry. Okay, we'll come back in a little while and show you some more areas that have been cleaned in this home, but so far so good. It's looking fantastic. If you'd like your home cleaned this well, give us a call at 778-433-9348. See you soon.